Hello everyone, welcome to the Let's Learn English with Sanjna. Jai Mata Di, how are you? So, in this video, I am going to tell you some question and answer in English. Okay, short question and answers which you can learn and you just speak with your kids. So your kids will also become familiar with this language and they will able to speak along with you. Yes, because these are very useful daily use sentences and very short and informative sentences. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is in the garden. The cat is in the garden. What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? I like bananas. I like bananas. What is on the table? What is on the table? There's a book on the table. There's a book on the table. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Next is, where is your school? Where is this your school? My school is near my house. My school is near my house. What's on your head? What's on your head? It's a hat. It's a hat. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's a dog barking. That's a dog barking. Where is your shoe? Where is your shoe? It's under the bed. It's under the bed. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Emma. My best friend is Emma. What is in the box? What is in the box? There's a toy car in the box. There's a toy car in the box. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am coloring a picture. I am coloring a picture. What's in your hand? What's in your hand? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Okay. What are you drawing? What are you drawing? I am drawing a house. I am drawing a house. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Lily. My name is Lily. How many apples do you have? How many apples do you have? I have 3 apples. I have 3 apples. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is a doll. My favorite toy is a doll. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the park. I am going to the park. What color is the sky? What color is the sky? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Who is she? Who is she? She is my teacher. She is my teacher. Now, next is, what are you eating? What are you eating? I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. What is this? What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. Now, next is, what is in the fridge? What is in the fridge? There is milk in the fridge. There is milk in the fridge. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am coloring a picture. I am coloring a picture. Next is, who is calling you? Who is calling you? Grandma is calling me. Grandma is calling me. Where is your backpack? Where is your backpack? My backpack is on the chair. My backpack is on the chair. Who is at the door? Who is at the door? It is the mailman. It is the mailman. What are they playing? What are they playing? They are playing tag. They are playing tag. What do you hear? What do you hear? I hear a bell ringing. I hear a bell ringing. What is on the table? What is on the table? There is a lamp on the table. There is a lamp on the table. What are you making? What are you making? I am making a paper airplane. I am making a paper aeroplane. What is she reading? What is she reading? She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook. What is that noise? What is that noise? That noise is a car horn. That noise is a car horn. What are you holding? What are you holding? I am holding a book. I am holding a book. What is this animal? What is this animal? This is a cat. This is a cat. What is this smell? What is this smell? This is the smell of flowers. This is the smell of flowers. What's in the box? What's in the box? There are toys in the box. There are toys in the box. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? My shoes are in the closet. My shoes are in the closet. Where is your school? Where is your school? My school is near our house. My school is near our house. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? My favorite game is hide and seek. My favorite game is hide and seek. Where is dad? Where is dad? Dad is at work. Dad is at work. What's in your hand? What's in your hand? It is a cookie. It is a cookie. Okay. Where are we going? Where are we going? We are going to the park. We are going to the park. What is this sound? What is this sound? This is the sound of rain. This is the sound of rain. What are you eating? What are you eating? I am eating a sandwich. I am eating a sandwich. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? I love apples. I love apples. Next is, why are you happy? Why are you happy? I am happy because I got a new toy. I am happy because I got a new toy. What is that? What is that? That is a rainbow. That is a rainbow. Okay. Who is she? Who is she? She is my sister. She is my sister. Now, next is, what is he doing? What is he doing? He is playing soccer. He is playing soccer. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for the watching. Namaste to all of you.